The Beyond Visual Line of Sight waiver that Duke Energy has enables us to fly drones beyond visual line of sight. Where we used to have to go into the field and fly a drone with a hand controller, we're now able to go and get on a computer and fly a drone where we can't see it in the real world.
In the past, we could not get behind trees, get behind buildings, where now with the Beyond Visual Line of Sight waiver, we can fly behind those structures up to 3 statute miles from our dock.
When we can launch an aircraft that has the ability to do inspections, to look at solar panels and find deviations in energy, identify a panel that has failed or that isn't running as efficient, we can get the engineers out there to get that panel up and running and get that power back to our customer. That savings is going to the customer. It's not for us, it's for them. One of the first flights that we did was up in Asheville right after Hurricane Helene. Our organization and the right people had the ability to log in and see those flights as they take place live, and that's huge.
We get a fault indication on a line, and instead of sending trucks to go respond to that, being able to send a drone right away exactly to that location and get eyes on the problem so we can begin to solve it. The process for obtaining a waiver from the FAA, it's a very rigorous, in-depth process, hundreds of pages of documentation, and really partnering with the Federal Aviation Administration to paint a picture of how we were going to use this technology to benefit our customers and our company. I'm a Duke customer as well, and I live in a community supported by Duke, so I get to see how that technology is benefiting not only the folks that we see out day to day in the field, but the neighbors that live around me and the people that I interact with.